Hey, this is like the revolver version, big bore revolver version of Glock knuckle. It's called Dirty Thumb. It's from shooting a real gun with real bullets. 260 grain semi-wad cutter. You know, ammo is like cookies. The best is homemade. It spins a little lower than I thought it would be. Hopefully I can bring that up a little bit. Did I bring it up a little bit? Hell yeah, brother. Did I mention it's windy? It is, it's windy. Not bad at all. Oh, my Glock knuckle is pulsating. We're gonna try 100 yards. Did I mention it's windy? 4-inch target, 44 mag, 100 yards, plenty of wind. Let's do it. Scared it. It's that easy.